Hello guys and welcome to Sintra AI. Today we will go over the employee Buddy. He helps you with business development. So let's first go over the main website real fast and then we will jump right in what Buddy does and how it can help you. So here's the main page. It's based on a lot of employees which can help you with different kinds of tasks in your business. So for example, Cassie does customer support. Xiaomi does all your SEO. Here's Buddy, your new business partner on AI, and there are many more that can help you. For example, also with e-commerce or your recruiting specialist, etc. So let's go first over what Buddy does. It costs $39 a month, but there is a 50% off right now. If you want to buy him, I got a link in the description. It is an affiliate link, so you don't have to use it, but you would really help me out with it. So what are the features of Buddy? He consults you on your business. So he understands your business because he learns through the words and info you give him, and he can make decisions on the info he has on your business. So he can generate new business strategies, launches new products, manages stakeholders' relationships, analyze competitors, and provide you with innovative business ideas. So included with Buddy, newsletter strategy, brand generator, investor updates, marketing strategy generator, and many things more. So let's get right into it. So here you are. If you buy the program, you will get on this main page, and here you will see all the employees I got, and here's Buddy. So let's go over the power-ups. Here you will go to Buddy. And here you see all the tools Buddy has. So we got a marketing strategy generator, a newsletter strategy, target audience analyzer, a business ID generator, brand generator, competitor analyzer, product launcher, investor updates email writer, and a meeting notes generator. So it can generate like note based on meeting transcripts. So let's go over all the tools and let's go right now into the marketing strategy generator. Generate a marketing strategy for your product. Here we are. What is my product? Let's say I got an e-commerce business about sleep pillows. So sleep pillow. And what's the product description? So for example, I got a sleep pillow that helps people with sleeping very well and relieves them from stress because they got a good night rest. And you can do this of course with any product. You have more settings, so custom instructions you can give the AI. And let's click on generate and it will generate a marketing strategy. Here we are, it's loaded quite fast actually. So the marketing strategy for sleep pillow, your target audience identifications. So primary audience, individuals experiencing sleep issues, stress or insomnia, including working professionals, students and parents. So it's very broad because a sleep pillow everyone can use. The more specific product you have, the more specific target audience it gives you. So there's also a secondary audience like health enthusiasts, wellness advocates, anyone interesting. Your unique selling point, highlight the pillow's ability to enhance sleep quality, reduce stress. And for example, gives you unique features or specific kind of material used. It can help you with the selling point. The branding message, it comes up with transform your sleep and transform your life. I think that's actually a pretty good one. To be fair, it gives you the content marketing, so you can promote to blog posts, video content like how to, like this video, and social media, and use like hashtags to get into a algorithm. So you can do also influence partnership, promotions and discounts, paid advertising, customer engagement to build trust and improve the product. Distribution channels, so sell through your own e-commerce website and major e-commerce platforms like Amazon, so it gives you ideas where to sell it, and also performance tracking, so if you use Google Analytics you can make a better strategy. And you can also click on here and you can make it longer, shorter, or give it any comments you want to know about the message above. So give me a more detailed description, it will give you a more detailed description. You can copy it here and here you can edit it. So for example, you can edit it here, right here. That's about it for the marketing strategy generator. Now we go to the newsletter strategy. So create a monthly newsletter calendar with topics and post IDs. Sleep pillow. So for example, the product description, it helps you with your night rest, sleep better and relieves your stress because you have a better sleep. Did you know you spend 8 hours a day on your pillow, which makes a pillow really important? Here it writes out the newspaper. Wait for it to load. So here's the sleep pillow newsletter strategy for November. The goal is engage potential customers, educate them about the benefits of sleep pillow and drive sales. So there's week 1, meet your new sleep companion sleep pillow, the content and the platform email newsletter, post on social media, the 8-hour pillow fact with a catchy image or animation. That could actually work because it will get people's interest. Here's the week 2, the educational content, and in week 3, the product showcase and testimonials. So people get more confidence with buying. And here's the special offer and engagement. So with the special offer you get them in, and if they already bought it or when they are buying it or they have it in cart, you can do additional tips. So it ensures them to do the call to action and really support them in their buying of the product. That's actually the newsletter strategy, and it really worked out in like 2 minutes. I got this full newsletter strategy. So let's go back. Here it is, the target audience analyzer. So my product description, sleep pillow helps you with your sleep. It relieves pain because you sleep better and you have better night rest. Let's click stressful, relieve stress. My customers are people that are the biggest spenders because they are easily in converting, so they're better to convert. Let's click on generate. Of course, this is all just an example. So here we are, it's generated. To analyze the potential audience for your sleep pillow product, we consider various demographic factors that are likely to influence purchase decisions. So here you got your age group. To appeal to adults who are more conscious of their health and well-being. This is typically between 25 and 55 and is often more concerned with stress management and improved sleep quality because they still work a lot and they start caring more about it when they got their own house, for example. And that's the age group, your income level, so the bigger spenders is my aiming. So this includes individuals with a disposable income who are willing to invest in quality products. Yes, the education, the gender, well, both men and women will be interested. Inclined to invest in a sleep-related product, so women are more likely. Lifestyle and interest, geographic, you get the idea. So it really helps you with your audience and what to target on. So that's it for the target audience analyzer. Let's go back. Now the business ID generator. So goal, people with their sleep, for example. So here we are. These are the business IDs on help people with their sleep. So a smart sleep mask. Develop a sleep mask embedded with sense and calming sounds to enhance sleep quality. I think that could actually work because it helps people to sleep better. And here's a sleep coaching app, could be working. A AR sleep environment, I think you can combine it with a smart sleep mask, but yeah, that's an idea. Sleep friendly bedding subscription. And this is actually interesting. Offer a subscription service for premium bedding that promotes better sleep with options to regularly receive new products. And if you use unique materials and customized options, it will stand out from the competition. So it gives you also tips and the problems going with the ID. Add a sleep enhancing snack line. So with ingredients, yeah, so this is more the healthy route. So that's it for the business ID generator. So it generates just fast IDs, which can help you in your decision making, which business you're gonna start. Let's go back. So brand generator, create a brand name. Let's say sleep core values. Yeah, I've already made one once. Let's make another one. So here are some brand names and vision statements. Sleep tech solutions, vision, revolutionize restful nights through cutting edge technology and sustainable practices, ensuring everyone wakes up refreshed and ready to innovate. And here are some more ecom slumber innovations, Dreamcraft Labs, Restwise innovations, and Slumbusware. So these are all kinds of brands you can actually get. Always check them if they are available. So that's for the brand generator. Let's go back, that's pretty straightforward. A competition analyzer. So for example, who would be my competition? Yeah, let's say for example McDonald's. Let's see what it comes up with against burgers. But it's based on the info you have given, and I've given it YouTube info, so I'm pretty... Yeah, that's what I thought. Might be a miss because I got my YouTube channel in it, and it's based on that, so it's hard for them to see. But let's say which competitor could be. Let's say Mr. Beast, for example. So here it is, the strengths of Mr. Beast, the weaknesses, the strategic recommendations, and the actionable steps for differentiation. So create a UVP, enchant viewer interaction like live Q&As, optimize SEO. What's the strength of Mr. Beast? He got massive popularity and brand recognition, that's true, everyone knows Mr. Beast. Or almost. Strong community because everyone watches his videos. The weaknesses, his production costs are really high, so it's a hard market to get in, and limited educational content, so he's not really focusing on educational but more on entertainment. And here's leverage the educational niche, cost-effective production, and engage community. So these are some things he can do better through the competitor analyzer. So that's what it does. Let's go back. Your product launcher launch goals. So my launch goals: increase the revenue next month and become top of the market. Let's see. So here it got a full strategic plan, goal-driven strategy. So objective: increase monthly revenue to 1 to 5k and achieve market leadership. Marketing channels, how you can leverage promotional customer engagement. The timeline creation, so pre-launch, launch, and pre-launch, and your budget. So this is based on your business, on the input you have given, like I said before with some things. So if you got it in here, it can make a perfect product launch strategy for you. But for me, it's not really working because I got a YouTube channel, so it's a bit different. I can make videos, but let's go back. The investor updates, email writer. Let's say new partnership and earnings update. Let's click on generate. So here we are, the subject: recent updates and future plans for FindYourSolution. Dear investors, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to update you on the recent activities and achievements at FindYourSolution. The recent developments. So we have successfully formed a new partnership aimed at expanding our reach and enhancing our content quality. Additionally, our earnings have shown positive growth, bringing us close to achieve our final goal. So this is actually, so you don't have to write this yourself anymore, but you can include, for example, your revenue, etc. And it just makes the full mail for you. So that helps you with your business. Let's go back. And here's the last one, your meeting notes generator. So generate concise notes based on meeting transcripts. So if you upload your meeting file, your transcript, it will generate like the notes based on the meeting transcripts, or the most important things if you want to. I got no transcript right now, so I'm sorry I cannot show you this. But these are actually all the tools from Buddy. Let's go over the pricing back. So this one costed $39 a month. But there's a 50% off, so it's $9.75 a month if you pay yearly and $90.50 a month if you pay monthly. But there's also a Sintra X deal, and that's also 50% off. And then you get all the employees like I have, and then you can pay yearly, it's $90.50 a month. If you pay every 3 months, it's $29.50 a month, and if you pay monthly, $48.50 a month. And then you get all the employees like we have in here. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, guys. The link's below if you want to sign up. Of course, you don't have to through my link, but I would appreciate it. And if you have any questions, please leave them below.